Hi friends, in this video let's learn about filtering elements in Java streams. Filtering elements in Java streams is a common operation that allows you to select elements from a stream based on a specified condition. The filter operation in Java streams helps us to create a new stream containing only the elements that meet the criteria. Okay, now let's move to code example for filtering elements in Java. I am deleting this introduction part. So friends, suppose you have a list of numbers and you want to filter out only the even numbers. Okay, so first of all let's create list of numbers. So let's proceed. List of type integer, generic type. Name of the list will be nums equal to arrays dot adds list of. I am passing the number here. I am passing random numbers here. Okay, so let's proceed. 8 5 85 42 96 4 3 8 1 2 12 65. Okay, so I do have this random numbers. Okay, first of all let's import the list package. Okay, save the code. So here we define a list of integers name nums containing some random numbers. Okay, so let's create a stream from this list. Stream of type integer, generic, even. Let's give the name of the stream as even numbers stream. Okay, nums dot stream, nums dot stream. Okay, pass the import the stream package. So dot filter nums list name lambda operator where number mod operator 2 equal to 0 equal to 0. Okay, nums lambda expressions parameter nums cannot declare another local variable defined in an increment. Okay, nums numbers, sorry, here I can have to write nums. Okay, so let's save the code. Let's make it nums because it's overriding the same name. It's clashing with the same name list nums. Okay, so I have removed one s here and give the name of the lambda operator as num. So let's proceed. So what we have done here, we create a stream even number stream by calling the stream method. by calling the stream method on the nums list. Okay, on the nums list. We use the filter operation to select only the elements. We use this filter operation to select only the elements that satisfy the conditions specified in the lambda expression. In this case, we filter for even numbers by checking if number mod 2 equal to 0. Okay, now let's collect the filter elements in the list name even numbers. So let's do write code for that. List integer name of the list is even numbers. Even numbers equal to even numbers dot collect collectors dot to list. Call the method collectors dot to. Import the class. The method collect is undefined for the type list integer. So even numbers, I have not write the stream name here. Okay, I forget to write the whole name of the stream name, which is even numbers stream. Okay, so what we have done here, we collect the filter elements into a new list using the collect method. Specifying collectors dot to list to collect them into a list. Now let's print the filter elements using the for each method. Which will print the each element in the even numbers list. Okay, so let's proceed. Even numbers dot for each system dot out method reference print ln. Okay friends, so here we have done with our code. We have completed our code. It's time to get the output to the console. Let's save the code and let's run our code. So friends, these are our even numbers from list name nums. So the even numbers are 842, 842, 96 and 26. Okay, so in this way we can use filtering. In this way we can use filtering elements in Java streams. Okay, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel CodeGP. Please help to grow my channel. Please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.